name is Kat, and I just finished my first year with Wolsey Hall. My favourite course was the art and design course. It was such an inspiration. This year, I have learnt so many new skills, from sketching and learning to shade and use ellipses to shape objects, as well as applying what I've learnt into spectacular art warm-ups. Staring into the detail of ordinary objects while learning how to paint to make it look realistic was a key part of Module 2. In Module 3, I learnt about block printing and making stamps out of cardboard and vegetables. Making 3D sculptures in Module 4 was one of my favourite things, especially when I got to put them into my first stop-motion video. The 5th section explored typography, graphic designs, and decorating objects. Experimenting with fonts and making original posters was really fun. The last module continued the art of making stop-motion animations. Yes! As you can see from this video, I love creating these movies. I recommend art and design to anyone who wants to escape the world around them and explore their imagination.